Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find security settings on your account on Roblox. Easy and quick. First, click here. Now click settings. And here as you see you will find security settings. Now here you can manage your security settings as you want. And that's it, that's how to find security settings on your account on Roblox. Easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.